Hey everyone, this is Keith from easytradingschool.com, and today I'm doing a review for Activ Trades. It's an online forex broker, and in this video I'm going to show you what they have on offer. I'm going to show you inside of their trading module. I'm going to give my opinion of how safe this broker is and whether you should sign up with this or not. For all latest signups, go to binaryoptionstest.com or go to easytradingschool.com, where you can find the latest reviews, latest money making systems, good brokers, and whatnot. So Activ Trades started in 2001. I'm gonna show you the demo account here, and I'm gonna go up to now. Before I do that, let's talk about, they have the CFD trading, they have forex trading, and they have spread betting system. They claim to have received some awards, you can see, but all of these fancy marketing things, they don't really matter. If they say they have the 24-hour customer service, they have a chat box here. Let's interact with this chat box and see whether it's good or not. I'm just gonna say hi, what's your name. Let's see if they respond to this chat or not. So you can see some forex rates there. That's just what's happening in the trading world. So let's go down. It says automated trades, fast execution, no hidden trades, all bunch of lies. Don't believe any of what they say. Okay, so average email response 27 minutes. I'm not sure where they get this idea from. It's not really 27 minutes. So just be careful where you open the account. It is a big platform, but just be careful how much money you deposit in one broker account. It's best to have, if you have a large amount of sum, don't put it in one broker. Open different broker accounts in different places, and if one of them doesn't pay you, at least you haven't lost all the money. The trading is the same. You can trade on different brokers on different days to help you reduce your risk of a bad broker. Last year has been a lot of bad brokers went out of business. They also rebrand almost every 1 year or every 2 years, so that means all of the existing clients, they close their accounts, and then they close their website, and then they open another one, they register again. Now these guys, Activ Trades, they have presented that they are regulated broker. They have licenses to operate these websites. So there's a little bit of small promise there, but like in the past, even the regulated brokers have gone out of business. Even they have not been able to return money to their clients. So that's just to show you what's going on. Let's talk about their platform. Most importantly, they do offer the MT4 MetaTrader and MT5, and some of their indicative tools are there. So let's open a free demo account, and then there we can just I can just show you what the platform looks like from inside. Where is this? Let's press try. So once again, go to the website before you want to sign up with anything. I give email support to all my subscribers. Okay, so here we say the demo will expire soon. Expires in 48 hours. Register now for 30-day demo account and keep all your trade activity. Continue trading. So that means if I don't register, the account will expire in 48 hours. Otherwise, if I do register, here it says guest user, and otherwise I'll have 30 days to keep my demo account. Not to worry. Here we can see the trading with Forex. This is the USD Euro pair, and this is a sell amount, this is a buy amount, and I will take a trade just to see how this system works. It looks a different system. Let's see if they've answered me here on the chat. Okay, we are Active Trades. Do you have question about our company or products? Okay, I want to know who I'm talking with first. Now, a lot of these chat things, they have been automated recently. That means it's not a person answering you. It's to cut cost. There's just like a robot answering you. And to be honest, it does cut cost, but it does reduces the quality to 0. That means you're actually not gonna get any answer. You can just go to their help section and just try to find an answer there. It's become very difficult to contact these people, and you can see that I started the chat at 2:08. It's been 5 minutes. Even the robot answered me after about 4 minutes, and I don't think that they have a live trade. So here what they talked about here, what was it, 24-hour live chat. Oh, great, we have Steffi. So we do have live chat, so we have to give them that, yes. Okay, so I want to ask about what is the minimum account opening balance, and from which country do you accept people from? I don't want to get too technical with these people. And which country do you offer to? Okay, we are talking with Steffi. Steffi was busy. I'm not sure Steffi is a girl or guy. Are you girl or guy? It's very important for me to know who I'm talking with. Let's go ahead and take a trade. Let's do a buy trade here with Euro USD. Where is the amount? Volume is going to be what? 0.05. Okay, take profit. Leave this buy. Place order. And now we have a trade open. You can see the balances here. Equity has gone down. Margin open. There's a profit of minus 0.22. I just have to wait. I did a buy position. Let's see in 5 minutes if I can change this to profit. So minimum deposit is 500 euro or USD, GBP or Swiss francs. We are based in London. Do you take people, investment I should say, investors from which country? USA. Okay, let's see. Now we see about this. The profit is minus. Yeah, we're losing money at the moment. This is always the case. When you open a position, it's always in minus. The best thing to do is to open the take profit. You can see the order right there. Buy your USD price now. And I'm gonna modify this trade, and let's see, where is this buttons? I will take the take profit. Can I change this to amount or pips? Okay, pips. 2. Stop loss, make that 0.5. Okay. No, wait. This is not gonna be buy. No, it says new order. That's wrong. Okay, close that. What this guy says? We don't accept clients from USA. Do you have a list? Have a list. Okay, let's see. I need to modify this. Okay, can I modify this? Partial close. close position, buy again. Oh, okay, I don't want to buy again, I want to modify this. Okay, can I modify this? Close position, there we go, modify. Yeah, so take profit at 550, stop loss at 505. So that means, will it be modify? Would you like to modify a position? Modify. The price now is at 5. Wait, let's modify again. Where was this modify? Okay, the chatman says click here, country of residence, open trading account, country of residence. So here's a list of countries where you can open the account from. So let's say Canada. Okay, they have Canada. USA, no. United States, they do have United States in the list. Oh, okay, so here it is a message, so they don't take, so you'll have to type in each of the, that's quite annoying, because then I'll have to click on each of these countries to see, do they offer in Switzerland? Yes. Japan? Yes. No, not Japan. Australia? Okay, yes, in Australia. Okay, so let's go back to this. Oh, we're in profit of 18 cents. Not bad. I'm gonna close this position now and completely close position, and you can see the balance has increased from 10,000 demo account to 18 cents more. So that's all I wanted to show you, this Activ trades. Go to the website, and if you want to buy my course, I have a course online where you can learn the basics of trading. It has over 50 hours of explanations, and it's got a lot of material for you to learn. I also have Signal service, you can sign up to that too, and we also have some automated system which you can sign up to that also. So this is the end of this review for Activ Trader. Seems like a nice broker to me. How safe they are, I'm not 100%, I haven't traded with them, but I just wanted to share this video and show you what this platform is. And you need about $500 to start with. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next update.
Thank you, Keith, for great free before and free after sign up support, and thank you for watching. Click below and comment and like, but just don't touch.